Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is HubSpot. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is HubSpot. HubSpot is an inbound marketing and sales software that is the help of companies attract visitors, convert leads and close of the customer. It is the cloud-based platform, so all you have to the data is synced across the team of devices. While update is the instant and automatic, HubSpot exists the help of your whole business functions better together from of your first time and potential consumers that see the social media post and blog from you. This is the email that is sent them and handling them to your sales and team of your first purchases to the customer services by receive your handling and terms you have to sales term first purchase. The customer services and receive they all you have to the way of promoting your company to their peers. All the data is found of centralized location, making it easier to scale and the helps to organizations break down data soils and have to the single sources of truth. This is the last part helps to you avoid the data inconsistencies and expensive mistakes, that is the redundancy, the results from them. You can be chooses your HubSpot tools that your host web pages and leading your pages, categories, create a blog and email sequence, and manage your interactions with your leads and customers, and while you analyzing the success of campaigns and tracking users to behavior. Sound is the like of web hub hosting is the extensive number of tools that is the capabilities. Make sure that your difference in very part of your buyer's journey. This is the spread their features across the 5 hubs within your platform, where each of you provide to create of the set tools that each of purpose. This is the hub of work seamlessly together to give you have the full suits of tool across to your marketing scales, operations, content and support terms. This is don't have to the need of signing the data and backup for the fourth between each section and the platform, because it is all of your one undefined system. Imagine you have the scale of marketing team and also have to being at the same page on your consumer. Customer services are the sales begin to the term and consist for all your their customer communication. HubSpots make your business run smoothly across the broad and the better of HubSpot provide over 100,000 integrations in their emissions ecosystem, and since early 2023 has been expanding in the artificial intelligence toolkit included the integrated generative AI tools. Some of these tools are the similar using ChatGPT of marketing, but they are specially designed for the compatible and HubSpot features. You can also unlock access for each of hub individually and separated purchase in the cases you don't have to need all of them. Before you try each of these and throughout, you have to should understand for HubSpot CRM, which is we like for the glue and holds it together. What is HubSpot CRM? HubSpot CRM is the free customer relationship management that is the platform to make up the foundational layers and HubSpot tools. It is organized the score that is the track of lead customers across these hubs. This is the free tools will be have to save your team form of using spreadsheet, multiple spreadsheet organized you have to contract. Queue of the round and the places for you have what you with a HubSpot CRM. Users content information, keep track anyone that you have the business interacts with your activities tracking. Keep tabs on calls, emails, and more than each of consumers. Pipeline visibility, easily views of organized content based how to close your art to be purchased. Signing capabilities with the Gmail Outlook for easy contact uploading. Chat in the real time with the consumers and prospects, easily answer questions and build a relationship. Beyond the basic CRM tools, there are 5 different hubs to different parts of your business, which you can be either mix and match to you all of users in once. The top HubSpots, what you can be do with them. HubSpot Marketing Hub is all of your tools you needed a marketing campaign with attract the engaging for diligent both potential convert and current customer. It will be have the create of compiling content that is the front of your right people to convert your visitors lead and lead off into consumers, plus analysis and reporting for capabilities make it easier than you have to the marketer is demonstrate and ROI is their efforts. What's included in the HubSpot Marketing Hub? Leading pages. Create web pages that is drive the conversation. Make sure that your advantage is conversation rate optimization. Tools like easy A/B testing. Email is the latest email marketing tools. Value have to the need it and send personalized email automatic. Will be custom time delays for the tracked by customers, event that you choices and much more. Blog social media marketing is the schedule across to the engaging and users comment for all your control and locations.